Somewhere out there in a world I can't see, a little girl smiles, but she's far from me. 5 years old, with her mother's eyes, but I'm just a shadow she'll never recognize. I reach out through the empty space, dream of the day I'll see her face. Stories untold, moments we'll miss, a father's love lost in the abyss. Somewhere I don't know where you are, I'm talking to the moon, wishing on stars. You were taken away, abundant night, but I'm still here with arms open wide. She holds your hand while you learn to run, but does she tell you about your dad, or has that come undone? Your laughter's an echo I've never known, a part of me missing, I feel it in my bones. Do you ask why there's an empty chair? Do you know that I'm out there somewhere? My heart whispers your name every night, a silent prayer in the fading light. Somewhere I don't know where you are, I'm talking to the moon, wishing on stars. You were taken away, abundant night, but I'm still here with arms open wide. One day I hope you'll find the truth of all the dreams I held for you. Through all the walls that kept us apart, you'll always be the beat of my heart. Somewhere I don't know